Hey guys, Doug here again with your Week 8 MyStatLab Problem 5 example. And here the problem states, the histogram shows the ages and years of 25 customers that were in the produce section at a large grocery store. Check the assumptions and conditions for an inference using student's T model. Well, here's our histogram, not quite as pretty as the one in your MyStatLab homework, but I did it really quick. And the shape is more of what we're looking at than anything else. And we're going to go through our four assumptions and conditions here and just take a look at those and use the histogram for part of that also. So let's go ahead and look, and we'll start with our first assumption, the independence assumption. Well, let's look at what we're talking about. We're talking about 25 customers that were in the produce section at our large grocery store, and we're looking at their ages. So from an independent standpoint, one customer's age has nothing to do with another customer's age. So we can't assume that there is independence. Their ages have no dependence on each other or anything else. It's just a random picking from the produce section, and their ages are not dependent on anything else, so we can assume the independence assumption is there. The second one is our randomization condition. Well, let's think about that a minute. We're in the grocery store, but we're in the produce section. We didn't go completely through the store. We stayed just in the produce section. So since they were just customers that were in the produce section, we cannot say that it is completely random because we did not go outside of that section. So if we're looking at the ages of customers, they're in this grocery store, and it says it's a large grocery store, and we just stayed in the produce section, then we cannot say that this is random. So we'll have to say that condition does not exist. The third condition, our 10% condition. Well, we did a survey of 25 customers. Now, this is a large grocery store, so I think it is safe to assume that this grocery store has more than 250 customers, 10% of that being 25. So I think it is safe to say that the 10% condition is met because we only sampled 25, and we can be assured that the store has more than 250 customers. And then the final condition is the nearly normal condition. And for this is what our histogram here is for. So let's take a look at our histogram. Look at the shape of it. Think about the shape of our normal distribution, our normal curve. This histogram has a single peak, fairly normally distributed there. So I think it is safe to say that the nearly normal condition is met. So there we have it. That's all there is for this problem. Not much to it. We've checked all four of our assumptions and conditions using our histogram and the information given to us. So there you have it. That'll help you solve your problem 5 from week 8 in MyStatLab. See you next time.